Hello, welcome to my little demonstration video for the EFI Parts RaceBuddy data logger. For a little while I've been developing a standalone data logger primarily for the Adaptronic Select range of ECUs, but with the wider goal of wanting to offer an option for certain other commonly used engine management systems too. So what we've got here is a standalone unit powered by 12 volts and currently hooked to the spare serial port of an Adaptronic Select ECU, or its main board at least, which is currently running a demo mode so that we've got something to log. Data is recorded at about 8 or 9 frames a second and recorded straight to a regular SD card. So if we stick power to the logger, we'll see it wake up and say hello to us. And then it goes and tells us the last file that we recorded to the SD card. Pressing the button starts a new log. At this point the logger will poll the ECU and ask it to send some data. Once this is happening, we can check that data is being received by watching for this little flashing asterisk here. Each flash of that asterisk means we've recorded 5 lines of data, so if you see this flashing, then we know all is good and that it's talking to the ECU and that it's receiving data okay. We might see an occasional exclamation mark there. That tells us that it's received some data, but it didn't pass CRC. In other words, it was corrupt. So if you were to see a lot of those, you might want to check that the serial lead wasn't running too close to some kind of source of interference maybe. If we press the button again, it stops the log and tells the ECU to stop its stream. At that point it tells us the previous log on the SD card, and if we were to press the button again, or at some point later press the button again, it starts another log. That's it really, nice and simple. It logs just about every channel of data from the ECU. So that means lambda, RPM, boost, throttle angle, injector duty, knock, wheel speeds, you name it really. As well as taking data from the ECU, it has 3 spare analog inputs too, so you could record data from pressure sensors or some other 0 to 5 volt source. That's included in the log file. The files it creates are plain CSV files, so you can read them with anything really, but probably best viewed with something like EFI Analytics Megalog Viewer, which is a great bit of software. All being well, I'll have the first batch of these available shortly, so I'm keen to hear what you think really. If you have any ideas, suggestions, please fire away.